kids' creativity.
Hello friends, I promise you that I will make something creative out of the Play-Doh that I have made. I have made Peppa Pig and George out of Play-Doh to surprise my younger sister because she loves to watch Peppa Pig cartoon and sometimes acts like Peppa Pig or George, like jumping up and down in muddy puddles or speaking oink oink, and which makes me laugh. Let's see her funny act.
Let's see how I made Peppa Pig and George. I'm using white dough to make the face. I'm adding ears, pinks to make some detailing, black to make the mouth and the eyes. Peppa has a pink dress, so I'm going to use pink dough to make her dress. I'm very happy in making Peppa Pig and George. Peppa Pig is done. Now I'm going to make George Pig. I'm using the same pattern as I have done Peppa Pig. But George has a different color of dress, and that is blue. Like Peppa Pig loves her younger brother George, I also love my younger sister Ruhi. She is very cute.